Yes, so my correct people, I don't come your way with another ogbonge and legitimate information, and I bring am for you, my correct person. You know, say the Muslims they do their salah normally. Many big men for inside we country Nigeria, they drop things and things wey country people guys do concerning this salah period. But you see, our man will be Wike, will be the former governor of Rivers State and the current minister of FCT, will be the Federal Capital Territory. He don dey yarn things and things wey countrymen and countrywomen e gats do for inside this salah period. And as I'm talking to you, my correct people, the Kwara State governor wey name na Abdulrahman Abdulrazak, he don express im condolences sake of the retired justice of the Court of Appeal wey name na Ahmed Belgore wey bear RIP. The governor now come drop this in condolence messages for inside one statement like that wey come made available to Tori people by im chief press secretary wey name na Rafiu Ajakaye on Wednesday. Based on say the man face show and his shoe shine for inside the country Nigeria, no be only the Kwara State governor wey come drop condolence message. Other big men for inside the country they follow drop condolence message, my correct person. But before I yarn you who and who will drop the message, I want first welcome you back to Anointed Lady TV. You know very well say for inside this channel they like give you only legitimate news and cocoa wey dey sup for inside the country Nigeria. So if you never subscribe to this channel, make it try go subscribe and make it turn on the notification bell so that as they bring the news they come, my correct person, you dey get the update sharp. Anyhow the cocoa be for body, feel free make it drop am inside our comment section. Yes, so my correct people, back to the cocoa of the hour. According to the condolence message wey the Kwara State governor drop for inside statement in Kondiyano, say Belgore now will be say until in recent retirement na him be the preceding justice of the Ilorin division of the Court of Appeal. He don bear RIP on Tuesday night. The governor now come dey send in heartfelt condolences to the entire Ilorin Emirates, the bar and the beach, and to the Beloris them who be say they don lost one rare gem like that, and you know easy at all. In come stay for inside the statement to say Justice Belgore now na legal giant and a foremost community leader wey be say im dey offer im shoulder to anybody wey wan lean on. That is to say the man dey caring, the man he dey assist anybody wey need assistance. No be lie, my correct person, you and I know very well say a friend in need na a friend indeed. According to wetin the Kwara State governor now dey yarn for inside in condolence message wey drop as statement, he say this man now we just be RIP, so na a real friend. The man dey offer assistance, and that kind thing now we need for this our society, for this our generation as a whole. Still on the cocoa, my correct person, for inside separate condolence message now, the email of Ilorin and the chairman of Kwara State Traditional Rulers Council will be Alhaji Ibrahim Sulu Gambari. He come dey yarn say Justice Belgore now wey bear RIP say na big loss to the Ilorin Emirates and the nation at large. This man now him kpai at the age of 70, and as him kpai they come announce am on Tuesday night for inside Ilorin. Man shock you, my correct person. The way this man take kpai na kind of thing wey be say many people for inside the country they go say to fiakwa, because na just few days to his 71st birthday na him come kpai. Dem born am April 18, 1953, and he come retire as Justice of the Court of Appeal for April 18, 2023 at the age of 70. May the soul of Ahmad Belgore wey be the retired Justice of the Court of Appeal rest in peace. So na so the cocoa be like, my correct person. Anyhow the thing be you for body, feel free make it drop am inside our comment section. But the cocoa e never finish, my correct person. It's plenty. Our man now will be the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory FCT, will be the former governor of Rivers State, Mr. Wike. He don dey call for security consciousness and responsible celebration as Muslims now they celebrate their Salah. Wike now he make this call for inside one statement like that wey be say na him personally sign am when they congratulate Muslim Ummah as they bid bye to the holy month of Ramadan. We can use opportunity to come the yarn say this Salah period now the time where we supposed to remember the values of compassion, generosity and unity where we say they rest for the heart of the Islam. He said during the Ramadan they say they don't witness the spirit of self-discipline, compassion and unity where they define this sacred month. And this on a time where we say they will come together in solidarity, sharing food, breaking fast, and supporting one another in the act of charity and kindness. So it yarn my correct people. But in no end there, my correct person, in consider to say this one way now Ramadan don't end. Make the act of charity, love, and tolerance. Make them no allow making end with this month. Say instead, So make dem carry am like culture, make dem dey put am inside their everyday life, make e be like continuous something wey dem go dey do every day, every time. You understand? He say as the Ramadan dey end now, e no suppose to be the end of our prayers at all at all. He come dey urge country people say make dem continue to dey offer prayers, dey offer supplications dem to the Almighty for our dear country Nigeria and the leaders dem for divine wisdom and guidance, especially as they dey work day and night 24/7 to make sure say dem overcome the current challenges wey dey face our country Nigeria. Wike come dey call on everybody wey dey stay for the FCT say see this period now say make dem no mind any religion or make dem no mind any background or any other thing. Say make everybody dey as one, make dem embrace peace and harmony, joy and happiness. Say as they dey celebrate this Salah now make dem use am as opportunity to renew their commitment to building a society wey be say everybody for inside the country for inside the state go dey valued and respected, where peace and harmony na go come dey reign pass. And make dem plaster the message of this renewed hope agenda of our current president wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu, wey be say im don make the well-being and prosperity of all country people a number one. And na under this noble agenda by our current president wey be renewed hope agenda now dem dey focus on infrastructure development, healthcare, education, security and economic empowerment. So this progress now they don make so far especially for the areas of security and provision of infrastructure for road and railway sectors na sake of this new administration of our current president wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu and im renewed hope agenda. And as they invest for all those key areas dem, they dey try to create more vibrant and ogbonge FCT where we say everybody for inside go get opportunity to thrive and to succeed. And as they celebrate the Easter, they urge all residents, everybody for inside the FCTs, make them celebrate responsibly and make them be security conscious at all times. That my correct person na so Wike take yarn for inside in statement. How you see the matter, my correct person? You know say as our country people then yarn this koko omo, they come dey yarn about the quarter wey dey happen between Wike and Fubara. Say see person wey dey talk hypocrite, make dem embrace love, togetherness, peace, harmony and all those stuff dem. But you dey busy dey fight Fubara wey be the governor of Rivers State. So now you know if you use this opportunity now wey as you take dey spread message dey yarn dey give other people dem, you know if you take the message as your own based on say na your mouth the thing dey come from, make you for embrace peace, make you for go settle with Fubara wey you dey fight against. You come public come dey yarn say make the people of FCT embrace peace, togetherness, renewed hope agenda, all this kind of talk dem, say e no make sense. Country people come dey para say Governor Wike na betrayer, say the man im get too much, na make im ready to talk A for front, go back go do B. And na that particular lifestyle wey make dem no dey take anything wey dey come outside from im mouth seriously. But my correct people, make all of us now just tell ourselves the truth, make we use our tongue now dey count our teeth for inside this period of Salah. E no go bad if we celebrate responsibly, e no go bad if we dey security conscious at all, e no go bad, my correct person. So abeg make we leave the quarter wey Fubara and Wike get and make we try embrace peace and make we try dey careful, because you see this life wey we get na only one, as e finish e don finish. Anyhow this koko be you for body feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. You know very well say this na Anointed Lady TV, you all dey like give you ogbonge and legitimate news wey dey happen for inside we country Nigeria. So if you never subscribe to this channel, make you try go subscribe and make you turn on the notification bell so that as we dey bring the news dey come, my correct person, you dey get the update sharp sharp. And make you try to share the news to your family and friends so that them too they go get updates on wetin dey sup for inside we country Nigeria. And they bring another news for you, my correct person. No go anywhere.